It's been a rough week on Wall Street, and we spoke with Ralph Cole of Ferguson Wellman about what happened this week and what we might see in the near future. A lot of us are investors, myself included. With this turmoil that we're seeing, are we expecting it to continue, and what should we know as investors in the short term?
What I would start with is last year was kind of an aberration. There was hardly any volatility, and any volatility was the good kind. It was up. So the market went almost straight up last year, and that's not normal. What's normal is this volatility. And so what we always try to tell people, especially during times of turmoil, is stick with your long-term plan, stick with where you want to be. And it looks like you have a long way till retirement. So I'd stick with stocks.
That sounds good. One bright spot, though, blue chip companies did seem to weather the storm during the pandemic. How have they been performing lately?
They've kind of been the target. When you get corrections, they finally take all stocks down, not just the weak ones, even the great companies. So that's why the markets have been roiled even more. When you see names like Amazon, Netflix, Google, Facebook all down, you start to worry. And that's really has been their turn in the firing line.
Yeah, I'm one of those people worrying, but just kind of the last thing. Any kind of final thoughts, what we should know, any big takeaways that you would have for us?
Well, this is to be expected. Whenever the Fed starts what we call a tightening cycle, where they're raising interest rates, the market gets more volatile until they get comfortable with it. So if the Fed doesn't even start raising interest rates till March, maybe they do it a little sooner, it's not really going to change your world, and it's not going to change the world for the companies that they're operating in. So what we always say is stick with a good long-term plan, stick with great companies, and it'll be okay. You just got to ride out these tough patches.
Ride out the wave long term, all should be well.
Hey, all should be well. You got that right.
All right, great. Thank you so much, Ralph.
Thank you.